Hello guys, welcome to Techsable. Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can invest in shares using Upstox application, and I will show you the complete process of adding funds, buying and selling first time in Upstox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, if you don't have an Upstox account till yet, then check video description or check I button for the Upstox create account video link. Watch the video, create an account first, then follow this video. And if you already have an Upstox account, then let's get started. Firstly, open the Upstox app. Now we have to create a watch list for our selected companies we are interested in to invest. So click on the upper arrow, then click on create new watch list and give a name. Currently our watch list is empty. Click on plus sign for add more companies in the watch list. Search for the company and click on add. Here you can see your selected companies inside your watch list. Now we have to add funds in our wallet so that we can buy shares. Click on funds, click on add funds. Here you can enter the amount you want to add and choose any payment option like Google Pay, UPI, net banking and more. After adding the funds, now I will show you how to buy shares. Simply go to your watch list and click on any share you want. Click on buy. As you can see here, Tata Power one share is about 127 rupees. So firstly select product, intraday or delivery. In intraday you have to buy and sell shares on the same day, so I would recommend you to select delivery as a beginner. Then in the quantity, enter how much share you want to buy. I want to buy 2 shares, so I entered it here. Select order type as market and click on review order. Here you can see every detail. Click on buy to buy the shares. Now guys, if you want to sell shares, then go to the portfolio and click on the holding shares you want to sell. Here simply click on sell. Look at your holding, sell, order product options in delivery. Enter the quantity amount of share you want to sell. Order complexity will be simple and validity will be the day. Now click on review order and sell your shares. So guys, now you know how to add funds, buy and sell shares in Upstox application first time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more technology tricks. Till then, bye. I'll see you in the next one.